Bloody, get mom to
teach you a lesson
What did
today.
you think of
Stop,
us?
stop.
Huh?
Let me talk first.
No need. We know that
You
you are
know
a
what
criminal.
kind of criminal you are.
We'll do
I am
whatever
not a criminal.
Visiting card, put your name as a criminal, not as a lawyer.
Look,
That's not the thing. I am a criminal lawyer.
Are you
Just
trying
see.
to play with
Look
us?
at my
Huh?
visiting card. Advocate Shrikesh Kumar, BA LLB.
Do you think LLB is a
Today
license
LLB,
to play
let's
with
see
girls
who's
or
gonna
what?
that you
get
can
mobbed.
mess with all the
I'll
girls,
kill you
okay?
today.
Shut
Well,
up.
it's better
Keep
if you
quiet.
keep your mouth shut.
Just
For
shut
a while,
up.
just keep it
Hey.
in your mouth.
Sit down.
Open your
Sit
mouth.
nicely.
Sit, man. Police station, Madhuga district.
Come on, let's
Get up,
take
I
him.
say.
Don't take me to this police station. My brother-in-law is the inspector
Oh,
here.
really?
Let's
Okay,
go.
let's
Don't
meet the
listen to him.
brother-in-law. Come on.
Get him off the vehicle.
I just told you to
Get
come
on.
out.
Come on.
Hey,
Just
you
not
walk, man.
do whatever I'll
Walk,
get
walk.
smashed.
Come.
Stand here.
Get it. Sir, DVSP sir is there.
Yeah, what do you want?
Because of flirts like him, we are unable to walk on the road. See how difficulties we are facing over here. See, in the early morning in the public, he's trying to rag a
Sir,
lady.
leave these type of people, sir.
That's why ladies feel insecure when they travel. Is it? Yes. Oh, he molested a lady.
yes,
or what?
exactly.
So you molested a lady where women are treated as God in our society, huh? It's better you come in.
This
Oh,
sir will
super,
straighten you
sir.
out today. Huh?
Shut
Let me
up
just
and
tell
get
you,
in.
Shut up.
please.
Get in.
Sir?
Come in.
Sir?
Oh, it was you. You should have knocked and come inside.
Sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Outside there is one sexual harassment case waiting for you.
Our area policeman catching a culprit?
No, sir. The public only brought him here.
Ha, tell me that. What is wrong with our area people? When a culprit is caught, he has to be taken to the court, then case, charge sheet, unnecessary manhandling, lot of questions from the media and so on. And then what is going to happen? Media will just write that police is always trying to help the culprit. Why should we get into unnecessary problems, dear? Just leave that person, let
Oh,
him
no,
go.
no, sir. There is a big crowd outside. If you don't lock him up, they'll burn the station down.
Oh, so the matter
Yeah.
is serious. I may lose my job too. Fine, you come with me. He's a person.
He is a molesting king, sir. Kindly arrest him.
Brother, please try to understand. It is a misunderstanding.
A brother? How dare you call a police officer a brother?
Sir, he's openly calling us brother-in-law, sir.
Hey, dude, bring that victim over here.
Yeah, bring her. Come on, quick.
Leave me! Brother!
What happened
You
here?
know what he did?
Tell me.
I came away from home just because I couldn't bear it. How many times I tried telling you that I can't live in that house?
Please tell everybody that she is my wife. We just had a very small problem. That is the cause of all this trouble. And I went behind her just to convince her. And all these buggers brought me to the police station.
Sir, he's telling a lie,
This
sir.
is the DYSP. And this lady is DYSP's sister. And this lady is my wife. And he is my brother-in-law. Now everybody understood the problem.
Sir,
Go
is he
home.
telling the truth? Yeah, unfortunately, he's telling the
You
truth.
could have told us before, right?
Get lost, man. To tell all this, did you give me a small gap at least? All you guys were beating me up, right?
Okay, now the crowd can disperse.
Brother, she doesn't understand a lot of things. Please give her nice advice.
Please be calm, my dear brother-in-law. How do you feel now, dear? Those days when this boy was running behind you, you told me that if I don't agree for this relationship, you will commit suicide. Do you remember?
Brother,
Just
but-
shut up your mouth, okay? When my wife had objected for this relationship, you did not listen to her. Now you are regretting for that.
Please forgive me, brother. I never knew that he was such kind of a person.
Oh, so you mean to say I'm a bad person? My brother, till date, no other girl has told me that I'm a bad
What,
person.
what?
And even none of the men have told me that I'm bad. It's only her.
Okay, you can tell your family history at home.
Yeah, okay.
Constable, you
Oh.
immediately drop my sister at my house. Come on, quick. Okay, dear,
sir.
you can
Okay.
go now. Come on, go.
Oh, I told you to advise her. And now you're sending her home? My dear brother, you know me, right? I'm a criminal lawyer. If I decide tomorrow, you'll get suspended.
Yeah, do that immediately. Come on, come inside.
No.
She's going home. Come on, get in. You, get in.
Brother,
And our beloved Residents Association members and family, handsome guys and beautiful girls. In this beautiful evening, a very warm welcome by your obedient volunteer.
Woo! Just shut up and sit down.
Sit
down.
please. Don't make noise while I'm speaking.
Excuse me. Please talk in simple English.
Okay, fine. I'll speak in a simple English. I mean, every action has equal and opposite
What does he
reaction.
mean?
I'm
Yeah,
exactly telling. Don't be a nuisance for our own program and make a mess.
When is he going to stop this nonsense?
who knows, man?
Our beloved secretary, Respected Mr. Kaushik Kumar IAS sir, after honoring him as our secretary, his first abroad trip has been successfully completed and he is returning today. And that too in a flight.
Oh my god.
Huh. He might be on his way from airport to this auditorium. And I'm very happy and proud to say that through my costly Nokia BlackBerry set, I'm gonna make you hear his mesmerizing sweetest voice. Okay, just listen.
I told you to stop calling me. Why don't you listen? Please tell those association members to mind their own business. They're good for nothing.
Stop it! Nobody's giving me a
Stop
structure.
it.
I will not allow this. I'm going from here.
Stop it. Get out.
Oh my- Sir, phone is in the speaker mode.
That's what I wanted. Give me 2 minutes. I'm almost reaching. Uganda, Tanzania, and Nigeria. The weather's so cold in these places. I traveled all over there and came here. It's so hot over here, I can't bear the heat. It'll take me 24 hours for my body to adapt to the climatic condition over here.
Sir, the entire audience is listening to your voice, so please stop it. Oh my god, this is not getting off. Oh.
Wait, stop. We'll have a juice and then go over there, okay?
Sir, what do you want, sir?
A chilled apple juice. Excuse me? What can I do for you?
Nothing, sir.
No. I'm coming from South Africa only for this. It's a pleasure to invite you for a drink. One more apple juice, please. Are these original pearls?
Yes.
Sir, apple juice.
In Western countries, everyone mingles with everybody. Dating over there is very common. Will you, will you give me
Oh.
change for 1,000 rupees? Sir, 1,000 rupees. My friend, keep the change.
Thank you, sir.
When I even buy a matchbox, I tip about 100 to 50 rupees. Don't wait for an auto rickshaw. I'll drop you wherever you want to go. Come on, let's go. Don't just stand there. Come on. Please come. Please come. Koreans, Russians, Chinese, Japanese. I'm very fond of the women from these countries. I also love the African black women. I really like them. But there's something which all these women lack. I see that in you. By the way, what's your name?
Preeti.
Nice name. You have such a beautiful name, Preeti. I forgot to tell you something. My residential association is waiting for me very eagerly. I want to take you to the event now. If you don't mind, will you please come along? I hope you won't say no to me.
Before that, I want to go home.
Okay, no problem. You don't need to change. You look nice in these clothes. But don't forget to bring your night suit.
Please go right.
Take a right. Oh.
The blouse is totally torn out. Yes, come in.
No.
Sir,
Yes.
the persons who are teasing ladies, I went to caught them, sir. It was very useful to stand in bus stand,
Really?
sir. In 10 minutes, I got 20
Oh,
people,
that's
sir.
really good. Good.
One gentleman I have got. I have brought him to the station now. Just come and do formalities, sir.
I know that you're very much talented, dear. If I had sent your other two colleagues, people near the bus stand would have been escaped by now. Just tell that romantic hero to come inside. It's quite a long time since I've shaken my body. Hey, what are you doing here? You have a welcome party, right?
Welcome party. I knew you set up this lady in mufti clothes to catch innocent people like me on the road.
What to do, my dear brother? That is instruction from our superiors, and I have to definitely obey the instructions.
Yeah, whatever. I've just landed here from South Africa. And you know, this lady tries to fool me and bring me to the police station.
Sir, this man only had just signed me to come inside.
You shut up. He is Kaushal Kumar, IAS. He is my own brother. And you know, blinking eyes in front of girls, that habit is got from childhood itself.
That's right. That's the same way in which the elder brother's wife has become the younger one's wife also.
You don't even have a case to handle. What are you doing here?
Don't ask me anything, brother. First they put me into harassment case and brought me to this police station. Now this person has brought you, his own brother, to this police station. I think this man is trying to put all of us into jail and then take all property and keep it to himself.
Oh, so you've planned all of this, huh?
Not at all, my dearest brother. Don't listen to the stupid fellow and have a doubt on me, dear. Okay, it's already late for the residency towers meeting. You leave immediately.
Okay. I'll deal with you later. If you do this again, I won't leave you. I have a soft heart, that's why I'll let you go. Are you coming with me?
You go, I'll follow you.
What follow you?
I said I will follow you behind. Can't you hear properly now?
Brother, please try and help me also from here.
In your case, only he can take a decision for you, not me. If you ask me, you should be behind the bars forever. Good luck.
I'm such a fool to have fallen for these buggers' sisters. He and his bloody international trips. I had told you all that time itself. Somebody like him does not need welcoming at all. And you didn't listen to me.
We welcome Kaushal Kumar sir and not any donkeys.
In my understanding, both are the same.
That is only according to you. We need not listen to all your stupidities.
You are the only one who's responsible for all this.
Hey, what's happening?
Today I might have failed. But someday or the other, the governance will come to my hand.
Yeah. Lovely, impossible story.
One day it will surely happen, man. I will show you. That day, the first on my agenda's list will need to kill you.
Leave it.
Hey, take your hands off. I told you to take your hands off my shirt. Don't spoil my shirt, okay?
And you don't spoil my behavior,
Please,
okay?
Just try to understand. Relax.
Hey,
Continue. Mobile is ringing.
Into a problem.
Go. I have to take my mobile, please. Hey, can't you understand what I'm saying? Mobile is ringing.
When I'm trying to kill you, I don't have to pick up anybody's phone.
Just get away from me. Oh, it's Kaushal sir. Hello? Kaushal sir. Sir, you don't come here now. Sir, please understand. Already program is messed up. If you come now, it will completely get spoiled. Sir, I'll just tell you in detail when I meet you. Sir, no one is there to welcome you. I'm facing towards my death now. I'll just come and tell you completely. Oh, this idiotic call is not getting end. Our association's president is currently now my brother.
Yeah.
So Kaushal sir will be welcomed in a very grand manner.
Kaushal and Gaurav, they both are not IAS and police alone. They are entire families and art family, you know. So it is our association's duty and responsibility to give them a wonderful felicitation.
Yeah, exactly.
If you all try to do that, I will stop it.
You can't do
If I
anything.
tell I'll stop it, I will stop it. The word impossible is not there in my dictionary.
The dictionary which you have would have a printing
What?
mistake. I support my brother. I too support my brother.
That we will see.
Let's wait and watch.
Don't forget behind Chaco Sen, this Chettiar is there.
And behind Chettiar there's a dog also.
What the hell is this? When you asked me for ironing itself, I just got doubt on you. You will be doing like this only. Say me the truth. Keeping the iron box on this and you're just looking here and there for ladies only, no? Say me the truth.
Please don't talk
What?
like this. I am always a sincere husband to you. When I don't have the guts to see your face, how can I see other girls' face? Believe me.
What is in your face?
On my face?
Huh?
Nothing is wrong.
What is on your face, I'm asking?
Nothing is wrong, dear.
Nothing is there. No, don't play police games inside the house. I told you lot of
Yes,
times.
you have told.
You have a mustache. Mustache on your face.
Mustache.
Mustache.
Sorry. Actually, I forgot that I'm entering inside the house, you
Hey.
know.
If you step into this house with this mustache, no, I'll just pluck each and every hair like this. One by one, I'll pluck it off.
Mummy, why are you shouting at him like this?
Let her tell, dear. Do you know the gangsters in our area will shiver when they see me? I should also shiver when I see someone, right? That someone is my dear wife.
Oh, that's the thing.
What is this, sister? Why do you have to always shout at him?
Look, don't interfere in this, okay? I know how to deal with my husband, okay? I'm not like you, leaving the husband and going out of the house. Ladies means you have to be inside the house.
Correct,
I can understand what you're doing over here now. You even did the same thing to his younger brother. I know that well.
Just shut up. Hold this. As you said, she became Kaushal's wife too. That's because I approved it.
Oh, come on, stop fighting now. We should be happy, not fight like
Ah.
this. What do you say, darling? You know, darling, I've got something special for you from South
Oh
Africa.
my god, I want to see what are all you have brought for
If
me.
you want to know, come to the bedroom. Take rest today, brother, okay?
Okay.
Brother, didn't you get me also something?
I did. I'll give it to you afterwards.
What afterwards, sir? No afterwards, no before. Your husband is there in the case, no? You go and ask him. Came to ask the gift and all.
What did you bring for me?
Oh, I've got lots of things for you, little one. I want you to go and play chess with Auntie. First, I'll give Mommy's gift and then yours later, okay?
okay.
Huh?
Come here.
Has he brought anything for
My
me?
brother is such a respectable
Ah,
person.
he's very respectful man.
I'm blessed to have someone like him.
Ah, wow. Soap. This is also soap. Oh. Oh. This is what, darling?
Ah,
Jam?
that's hair gel, darling.
Gel. Ah, what is this, darling? It's very small cloth.
Oh, come on. Don't you understand, darling? It's a see-through night suit, honey.
Oh.
You'll feel very comfortable.
Oh, in Africa to get the hair they use this, no? They will be getting nice breeze, no?
Ah, I don't know about that. I got this specially for you, honey. Please wear it. I want to see you in it. Also, if it suits you.
First, let me take all these and show it to him and come now.
What are you doing?
Oh,
Sit,
wait, I'll
don't
be
go,
here
wait.
only, love. Why you're just getting hurry? Let me go and show him first. Just wait, I'll come now
darling,
itself.
darling, oh, darling. Oh, I almost did it with her. I've come after so many days, and my wife doesn't want to spend time with me. I'm leading such a pitiful life. What do I do, God? This is so sad. I hate this. Aw. I shouldn't be sad. I'll cheer myself. I'm happy. I got this bottle along. I'll drink and forget my worries.
My wife. When I see her through this window, she also looks beautiful. But she's not fit to be my wife. Always opens her mouth only with foolishness. Shh. 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 Here. Look here.
Who is it? Who? Rajan, is that you?
What is that? Oh, she has somebody called Rajan also. Okay. Now I've understood why you shooed me away from this house only to get him inside. Eh?
Oh, was it you?
Whom else do you think will come to your house at this time of the night?
I thought it must be some cat or dog.
I know. I must be a dog for you. But that Rajan must be your god, right? Tell me, who is that Rajan? Eh?
Oh, Rajan stays nearby.
Huh?
Kaushal had said that he wanted fish. I thought it was him.
Oh, to tell me the truth, you are a person who is going around even with a fisherman, and I loved you so much. If I had started constructing a house all this while, instead of getting married to you, I would have finished constructing a house. Where are your brothers? I am going to kill both of them and I'm going to hang them in front of this house. Eh, bloody brothers!
Get out of my house!
Oh, lucky brother.
Good night, darling.
Good night. I cannot tolerate what's happening in front of me. This is total injustice. I bought Malu so many gifts from South Africa, but she doesn't care for me. I'll deal with you later.
Then come here, man. I am free now.
Who's that?
One Bhimasenan.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I came to see my wife, brother. Now don't waste any time. Come, brother, come, break my legs. If my wife doesn't want it, then why should I have this, brother? Come on, break it.
This is not right, brother-in-law. You're creating a scene now. Keep it low, Malvika. I might hear
I
you.
came to see my wife, brother, but she threw me out and closed the door behind me.
We're sailing in the same boat.
She also closed the door.
We both are going through the same problem.
Sir,
Uh,
I could not get big fishes today. Small ones I got.
that's okay. Hey, do you want to have a drink?
I don't mind.
Okay, then
sir.
come. Please cook these fish for me. I like my fish spicy.
Oh no! My god! So this is Rajan. So stupid of me. I doubted my wife for this Rajan. I'm sorry, my dear.
Yeah,
Where?
here only.
Let me see.
Oh, yeah, this side.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
it's a big
oh
one.
God.
Darling,
Mm.
I need to tell you something. You should not get angry on me.
Why you want to scare to say any matter? Say frankly.
Can I tell you?
Say.
Kaushal bro is giving his money, property, everything for you. But one doubt, are you sincerely loving my brother, dear?
What you're saying is right. I really love only you. Actually, I married you only, no?
Yeah.
You only compelled me to marry him. That's why I married him. That's all.
But I feel that is not enough at all.
Ah.
If we marry some other girl, what will be our situation, dear?
Oh. As soon as he gets the marriage, I will be free from that. Then what?
I have told you several times not to talk nonsense like this, dear. But how will you listen? You have the time only to shout at me alone. Just listen, my dear. If my brother marries a girl, we may have to return the house to him. When your family had some financial problems, you had a relationship with me and married me, right? Whatever savings I had with me, your father and mother got the treatment because of that. When your parents passed away, the entire expenses was taken by Kaushal, right? You very well know that my brother's got a lot of properties in his name. Other than that, Mr. Shares, even if he takes a VRS from his IAS, he's a lion in taking care of his business. A lion. He should think that he's not alone in his life. That's it. Otherwise, we will have to face the problems.
So this is what you're thinking now, huh? Because you married me only, you became like this, huh? Say now. Yes or no?
I think
Huh?
you forgot
What?
what I told you before itself.
Huh?
Don't get angry. Don't get angry.
Then what I have to say? However you compel me to love him, I can't do that with him. My mind and heart is thinking only about you.
Please don't cry like this. See, there is some more insect in your head.
Oh,
Let me
God,
take it. Let me
leave
take
this
it.
now.
Okay, come. I'll give you a hug.
Oh, come, daughter.
Come, dear. Come.
See this?
Come. Sit
What
down.
is this?
Mummy,
Uh.
I have a doubt.
What
is
doubt
that?
here?
This is one uncle. This is my other uncle.
Uh,
So who is my father?
I don't know what to say the answer.
left hand, right hand. Brother, you have to shake your body when you're running.
You're talking too much. Look straight and run. Come on.
Oh.
Hello. Good morning, uncle.
What? Uncle? Huh? Where's Chuckles?
Oh, sir, she got back pain. I'm here now.
Yeah, whatever. Bye.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Oh, please don't call me uncle.
If you're running like this, how you will lose your weight, huh? If you want to lose your weight, you have to jog like me. See?
First reduce your tummy and then talk about my eyes. Don't mind your own
okay,
business.
okay,
Don't talk
Hello,
bad about
uncle.
me. Uncle, huh? Is your father at
You
home?
may have reached the park by now, uncle. See you, uncle.
I just returned from South Africa, but you're not showing any respect towards me.
Oh, I won't believe in this fake respect, okay?
Oh, that means you do not give respect to men. You have some vengeance against them.
I always struggle for women's only. That's all.
They say that when a man and woman get married, they can be happy forever.
Oh.
They complement each other in life, in all aspects.
Actually, till now I didn't get married, but I didn't get any problem, you know?
Are you sure? In case you have a change of mind, please tell me. I know a lot about women. When I think about it...
Think about it?
That beautiful face.
Face?
Your face comes to my mind.
Oh.
Will you give me...
What?
I mean, give me some love. Only if you go to a hill station will you know how cold it is.
Hey, careful, man.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I know you all got together and created a problem in the function.
Sorry,
Sorry,
sir.
sir.
It was not intentional.
Are you going to organize that function again, or are you going to not conduct it?
Actually, I'm busy, sir. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I know you're up to something. I'll talk to you about it later.
That's too
my
bad, dear.
chest.
Get up.
Mummy. Oh, my chest hurts so
Did you
bad.
get hurt yourself, sir?
Yes, I felt as though I slammed against a rock.
Actually, what happened to you?
What do I tell you? After dashing you, my whole body is aching. Has she worn her arm or something?
It's original,
What are you talking?
Nothing, madam. I just fell down.
Any problem?
No problem.
Okay, good luck. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope we'll meet tomorrow also.
Huh? We'll meet after a week.
Okay. Oh dear. Just wait.
I hope I don't see that elephant again.
Hi, Basanti. You don't seem to be in a good mood today.
Why? Why cannot I be arrogant, huh?
You do it always when I'm around.
How many times have I told you? I just can't fall in love with you. I just can't upset my family. Hi, uncle.
Uncle. Today you look really beautiful.
Thank you, uncle.
By the way, why are you following her? Just because you're Chaco's son? I won't hit you in front of everybody here. Don't do it again. Get lost.
It's good you told that, uncle. He always is like this.
Don't worry, I'm always here for you.
Listen, along with the felicitation for Mr. Kaushal, we should have some cultural programs also. Are you sure? That too, lot of varieties.
Varieties, huh? Varieties.
What is your suggestion?
We only know to fight and make very big fights. See, what we want is a family function, where with the presence of Kaushal sir, it will become more special.
Yes, he's right.
Do you think it is required? If we plan our family entertainment programs, then don't you think there'll be an opposition for them?
Opposition is not a very big deal, but there should be no negativities.
That's not the point I thought. You know, the song and dance, don't you think it has to be given to the younger generation?
Younger generation programs, actually we are saying it almost every day, you know. There should be, a variety of entertainment.
Once again, when I was studying 3rd standard, no, I got 3rd prize in that. You know that?
Thank God you didn't get first prize.
I'm lucky that you stopped your education at 3rd standard itself. If you had completed your studies, then by now you would have become a very famous circus person.
That's why very next day the company got closed.
Then listen to me. Regarding your family's entertainment program, there's a lot of opposition from our association itself.
But our group should be united and do it somehow.
If that is the case, then I will do it.
Yeah.
Dance.
He will not dare to fight with the people like you, sir. I'm damn sure in that. But I'm not sure about that. Above all, any other problem arises, with the help of rowdies, I'll just clear him off. That I'll take care.
Don't you have any other idea than hitting and hurting?
I'm like this because of I'm in his party, right?
You see to it that you don't create an unnecessary problem, okay?
My dear Rosie, should we be learning Bharatanatyam at this age? Is that required?
I can't do anything. Whatever you want, you do. Look here, whether it is folk or western, do whatever you want. You're already sick. Top to bottom, you're having already a lot of diseases. Remember that?
Then nothing to fear. India's rocket, no, it will come down straight to the floor.
Oh, good joke, sir.
Mr. Chettiar, just listen. When I was the president of this association, has there been any decision that is made without taking any consensus?
Never.
Right? Now how is it? They are deciding and they are implementing. You just see. That Gaurav, his wife and the second husband, what they're doing. I'm just going to wrap the whole thing and give it back to them.
I'm happy to hear that.
Don't act smart with that girl, okay? Whatever situation comes, she will handle everything alone, okay? But all here, all the fellows are useless. I'm always right. Always you're getting angry first.
If it's you, if I don't get angry, should I be laughing at you? Listen, my father used to kick 5 bodybuilders onto the floor in 5 minutes. I am his son. And you are telling about this Malavika, that lady. Me and my father have hunted down so many wild pigs and boars and only then started business in that forest. Do you know anything about those stories? Listen, I still have a lot of courage left in me. Till that time, I don't have to fear anybody in this world. You know that?
Really? Do we have a plan? What are you going to do now?
Simply you both are thinking but nothing is working. Mind your own business. Don't interfere with other workers, okay?
Mummy, please. I want 1,000 rupees. Can you give me?
Oh God, our ATM machine is not working, dear.
Are you into that as well?
What?
Printing money?
What? Are you mad? Don't talk things like that, man. Are you mad? It must be in my purse. Go and take it, my son. Thank you, Dad.
Da?
Not da. It means dad. this generation.
He behaves only because of you only.
Yeah, it's because of me. Yes, I will spoil him. And I will spoil him to such an extent that he becomes the biggest spoiled brat in this world. And then I want to get him into politics.
Tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha, tittetaha, tittetaha, tattetaha.
My God. When I look at her through the window, she has nice features. It must be my fate that I can see her always only through the window.
Who's that man?
Wife? No, advocate.
Don't you know he's Stella's husband? He's not good guy.
Oh, I'm sorry. He's your husband, right?
Yeah, he was husband. Now we will decide whether he has to be as husband or not.
Oh. So, is it a mistake to come and see my own
Look
wife?
here, this is my house.
Mhm.
Here ladies are dancing. Why are coming here? We all have husbands. Even till now, they also haven't come this side.
You must be having a couple of husbands, but all of them have only one husband.
Look, don't play here. Just get out of here.
If she is my wife, I'm going to definitely take her from here and
I
we'll
have
go.
told you 100 times that I'm not going to come with you. Please don't disturb our practice, sir.
No, teacher. I have respect for you, teacher. So I'm leaving now. Teacher, one second. To learn the whole of Bharatanatyam, what will be the expense?
You cannot learn dance in one day. Hey, but what's the matter?
If you have some time, even I want to learn Bharatanatyam. I want to compete with her and win one day.
Sister.
Don't mind all this.
There is no hurry, but we can learn leisurely. If you support me, I think I'll get her back one day.
Our residents association is not only an association but also a family. Many misunderstandings happen in a family. Our respected ex-president Mr. Chako sir haven't come yet. And the reason behind that is, we all obviously know that. Jealous.
Please listen to what we have to say.
Mr. Panika, please stay calm for a while. For the 11th anniversary of our association, the program will commence with the Kaushal sir's family's cultural event, and that is what everyone expects too. This performance, and especially our Malavika sisters dance, will create a very big entertainment among the every youths, and no doubt in that.
Instead of these cultural programs, we should plan to visit some nature's beautiful place along with all the members of our family. That is our opinion.
Well, I like your idea, sir, but I really have to think about your proposal. To be honest, I have no problems in conducting it.
Yeah, exactly.
Make the arrangements quickly,
Yes,
and I'll
yes.
give the approval.
He's right.
How did you decide about this entertainment program without asking us?
Can't you understand the
right.
situation?
One second. Please don't stop all this dancing and all. I request you people.
And what about the expenditures for that?
I'll give it.
yeah, yeah.
And also, I'll give 50% of the money for the nature tour.
Empty gas cylinders too. Hey, what are you saying? We have one big cylinder and one small cylinder.
You are right. This man didn't look at it properly. One big cylinder.
Oh yeah, that was what I was expecting. 12 beer bottles. What happened to those people? Only 12 beer bottles? Oh my god.
Is this Mr. Joseph's shop?
Yeah, this is the shop.
Is he there?
He's inside.
Where is your owner?
What gossip is going on there? Huh? If you have waste products, you would have just called me, na? I would have come there and taken that.
Are you the owner of this shop?
I am not the owner or corner in the world. I am the only director of the shop.
Actually, I'm the labor officer,
Ah.
Vimala Menon.
Oh.
I got one complaint against you.
What complaint?
You're keeping the child as a child laborist. That's the complaint.
Oh.
But now I seen everything lively.
Oh.
What's your name?
Rautar. My full name is MSP Mustafa Rautar.
Don't you know child labor is against the law?
I don't follow or encourage any child labor here. If this is a complaint that you have heard, just listen. That is my elder son Abu Bakr. This is my second son Usman. Yeah. And third one is Rashid. Fourth one Goya. And the last one is my daughter. She is Rashida. Their summer holidays is going on. As they are torturing my wife when they are at home, I just brought them here. Here they have many things to play, right?
He is trying to give wrong information to you, madam.
Is he talking truth? Is he your father?
We call him daddy and every people in this area call him boss. And our mom calls him as his husband.
And all my father's nephews call him as uncle.
And my mom is also still alive, who is nothing but their grandma. She calls me as Mustafa. If she gets angry, she will call me as idiot. And people call me many names. But actually my exact name is Mustafa Rao. If you want to know any other information, come. Let's sit in an office and
Even
talk.
their own kids don't get the work from them. Got it?
What job they have here, huh? You know one thing? Even my father had the same business. I didn't go to any school, but I sat with my father itself. Because of that, what happened? We reached this man height. So you don't worry,
Okay.
ma'am. Please, you can
let's
leave.
Go.
Excuse me. Which bloody fool filed a complaint on
Oh,
me?
the name. He
Ah.
is PC Chakochan,
Ah.
ex-president of Malayalakara Residency Association.
Oh. So he is the guy. I will catch him.
Malvika and Gauri don't want you to enter the house.
Don't worry about them. I'll take care of them. Before that, we have to set Chaco right.
And even my father also.
My dear brother, your family is my family. But when I saw Gauri dance that day, all my anger flew away into thin air.
Okay, everything is fine. How did you see their practice session?
If you both are not bothered, I am always bothered about my wife and brother's wife.
Oh.
With whose permission he got inside the house?
Malvika, he'll be a great support to fight against Chaco.
Everything will be spoiled.
Oh.
How many times have I told you that I cannot live with this man anymore?
Yeah. Whatever you're saying is right. But you haven't given valid reasons for it. Come on, you have to give us reasons.
Yeah.
He told me he was a lawyer when he married me.
Ah.
It's been 1 year since our marriage got over. In this 1 year, he's never been to the court even once. He's not even got one case.
Hey, don't tell that. Since he don't have any case, it doesn't mean he's a lawyer.
Yeah.
See how many lawyers are there without any
What?
cases?
How?
Huh, it's true.
Brother, this advocate's job is a very risky job, right?
Leave that. At the least, he can keep a board as an advocate in front of our home, no?
Brother, listen. If I keep a board outside, all these clients will come inside.
That's why we've kept a board.
Brother, if I go to court, then I will have to fight the case, right?
Without arguing, how you will win the case, huh?
If you only win a single case, will you get more clients?
You came behind me telling me that you completed your LLB. Isn't that how I married you?
LLB. I saw people loving each other by saying I love you, and not by any degree.
Hey, you shut up.
Sister, don't get angry with him now. Listen to me. My father paid a lot of money and only then sent me to Allahabad for LLB. After sitting for 2-3 days in the class, I got bored of it. Then the money that used to come from home, I used to spend it and enjoy my life. And just to show my father, I got a duplicate certificate and came back here. If I want, I can use the duplicate certificate and do whatever I want here. But am I doing all that? No, that's because of my conscience.
So on the fact, you are not a degree holder.
Correct.
Oh my
Sister.
god, really pathetic.
Well done. I like your decision. You're a great man. Cool down, my boy. Cool down.
Hello. What happened? What happened to you?
He's
What
taken
happened?
a pickle and he put it in my eyes.
Are you okay? Come with me. Come with me. Are you okay?
What?
He's a person whom you told he'll become a Supreme Court judge. Huh. It's okay, brother. Just chill it. Their problems got solved with the use of small pickles. And even if any disputes between India and Pakistan happens also, these problems can be solved with the help of small solutions.
Don't you dare talk about politics. Drink and leave this place.
my god.
Oh, Dad, she's a child labor officer. What happened, madam?
The car is not starting.
Oh, starting trouble. It's an old model, right? Just give me the key.
If you're gonna put in risk, we will take that.
Stop your nonsense. I think battery is out. Children, come here first and push.
Okay,
Just press the
Dad.
clutch over there, huh?
Hip, hip,
hooray!
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Thank you so much.
Where are you staying?
I stay over here in E3.
Oh, that is my house actually.
Is it?
Yeah, we have few real estate business. I handed over to my brother-in-law. They will take care of it. And what they did now is not called as child labor. If you're not developing your children to live independently, then that is the biggest mistake we are doing. Okay, ma'am, don't waste your time. You can leave, huh?
There are times when I feel really low and lonely. When I drink, I tend to forget all my problems. I feel very calm.
Doctor, can you tell the exact position of my brother now?
As there is no fracture, nothing to worry. So it's just a muscle cramp. Apply this ointment 3 times a day.
Okay, doctor.
Next week, we've organized a tour, doctor. I'm worried it might get cancelled.
Hey, nothing to worry. After 4 days, you can play even football. Then why not 2?
Already he's got some unnecessary health problems. I request you, doctor, not to increase it anymore, please.
You may leave
Yeah,
now.
come, let's go. Hey, careful, careful. Hey, careful. I have a small doubt on that Chakochi's friend. He tried to hurt you.
Well, we discussed about the tour in the association. I think he's angry.
Now you understand it was just a plan, right?
That Chakochan, I will not leave him anymore.
Hey, you bloody Chaco. If you lost in the association election, that is because you are not capable. For that, you should not send gundas and try to kill me. That's not being a man. If you have guts, get out and come here, man. You good for nothing guy. You try to affect me, I will never let you be happy. If I am drinking the scotch my brother gives me, I will rip your intestines out. Get out of the house, man.
Listen, my husband is not at home. Don't do anything rubbish, okay?
I know he's not here, that's why I came. He won't be here. But when he comes back, just tell him. If he wants to play, ask him to play with men straight face to face.
Why are you talking all this to me? It's very useless.
There is a reason behind all that.
See there, he come.
Sister, I'll come tomorrow. If I go late, my wife will get angry, okay?
Our guy told that you have 8 fractures below your knee.
Which dog spoke like that?
That Chaco-chan. I think you have made a very big mistake by taking all the responsibility of that program.
Some things cannot be stopped.
This is not about the fate. Someone cunningly planned this incident.
If Chakochan is in this association means we are not interested to
Yeah,
join in
she's
this.
right. I should have tried to react in myself with them. But what to do? He's a friend and neighbor too.
How a backstabbing people can be a friend, sir? He should be pushed into the jail and get screwed nicely. Then only I can have a good performance over here.
Already a dancer is hurt here. Now you don't start dancing, okay?
Brothers, yesterday I gave a nice dose to Chaco.
Shit! You shouldn't have gone to his place and created issues. The ball was in our court. You messed up everything.
I couldn't do anything to him, brother. He's in hiding.
Then how did you get revenge from that guy?
I went into his house and started shouting at his wife.
Oh my god, really pathetic.
Oh my god, your tongue is enough to kill 2 people.
Sister.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Aha, why have you come here?
Let me be very clear. I'm not going to let Chaco and his son stand in this
Hey,
house.
what you're
Please
saying-
listen to what I also
What
have
is
to
it?
say.
Whatever. We didn't expect that your father will do like this.
This was not done by my father. The one who hit Kaushal sir was me.
Chaco Chan was the one who told me to accompany his son here. He told him to apologize, Kaushal sir.
The thing which you have done now, no, it's really cruel. To be this much cruel, what mistake did he do to you?
If I see you following this girl again, that'll be the end of it, son. Hereafter, if you follow her, I swear, I'll thrash you badly.
So you're the one who hurt my brother.
Leave him. He's a young man. He made a mistake. In another 2 days, my leg will heal completely. After that, we'll start the preparations for the tour immediately. Vasanti, you're on time. 10:30 sharp on the clock.
Yeah. Why did you want to meet me?
I'll tell you. Do you have your computer classes today?
No, I have no computer class today. Full free.
I already know that. That's why I called you here. I know that you're in love with Tommy. But you don't want to express your love to him.
Uncle, that.
It would be foolish if you told your father about this. I believe that you both can be very happy. I know that it might create problems for you. Please tell me frankly, are you angry about something that he did? If you don't like Tommy, you can tell me. I won't force you. I have nothing to tell you. Please forget her, Tommy.
How can I simply hate him, Uncle? Tommy has always loved me. He has never done me any wrong.
I'm so happy to hear that. I want both of you to come to the tour and have a great time.
Come on,
Yeah,
maintain
yeah.
the line.
Get into the bus.
Get
Yeah,
inside.
fast. Come on.
Give me some way. Give me some way.
You're really late, sir. I told you to come a bit early.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kaushal. Yesterday I had been as a judge for a wrestling competition and I reached home very late. And morning I got up also late.
I don't think we can arrange a seat for Mr. Palikar.
Life is all about
Sir,
adjusting.
he can't adjust on one seat. We have to take money for 2 seats.
Hey, don't worry. Get in next to me. Come on. Get inside.
come.
Come on. Green salwar kameez, green bus. Nice. What are you doing? Come on, get inside.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Why are you standing there? Get inside. Come on, hurry up.
Uncle, my father's admitted in the hospital. It's a heart attack. Nothing to worry. My mother's there with him. They even agreed to my tour. But I don't know why. I feel it's not right, Uncle.
It's okay, sir. It's better that she doesn't come in this situation.
Okay. You get inside the bus. Come on.
Sorry, sir. If Vasanti is not coming, even I'm not coming.
Come on, get inside the bus.
Yeah, he has to come now.
He'll come. Get inside.
Hey, stop the bus. Hey, stop the bus. What's happening here?
Hey, you.
Hey, you come out, I say. Come out.
Come out,
Come
man.
out,
Hey,
come out.
Wait, I'll go and see.
What is going on there?
Come out.
Everyone come out.
Come out, man.
What's the problem?
Without knowing what's happening here, you're going for a tour, huh?
I'm sorry. We are on a tour, sir. There are children and women in the bus. Please let us go.
Don't you know today's a strike? Strike?
A strike?
But there wasn't any news
Soon
like that.
it will come.
Eh? Without informing the rolling party, they are planning a hartal?
Yeah, you deserve it.
Mr. Chaco, please don't raise your voice. In that case, we won't go. Can we return back to our place?
You can't move a single step from here.
What did you tell your name was?
Totikuri Kuttappai.
I'm sure you're a good for nothing. It's written on your face clearly.
Hey, you! Hey,
no,
leave,
stop,
Take your hands off.
My dear, there's not a problem outside.
See
I
how
came
fastly
inside.
he is coming. Very covered person.
Easy. Hey, leave it.
You forgot that you are a police officer?
Hey, stop it. Hey, stop it. Hey, stay there. If you are coming with me, I will plan to go outside
What?
because you are my
What did you
strength.
say?
You are my strength.
Come on, turn this side. Go and wrong now.
Hey, don't leave anyone. Hey, don't leave anyone. Hey.
Hold this.
Take your hands up. Hey.
I am with you. Go and see them.
Don't leave anyone. Hey, don't leave. Hey,
Get
don't
nice.
hit me. Hey, I'm telling you, don't hit me.
Get nicely. Yeah.
Hey.
I'll kill you today. Yeah. Hey, stop! Huh. What did you think of us, huh?
Come out.
If you just
Come on,
get out
come
or
out,
what?
guys.
Come out! I'm going to
Come out.
burn
Hey,
you.
come out.
Just fire the bus,
Don't
huh?
get panicked. Sit. Let me go.
No,
Come on, pour it.
please.
Pour it. We should burn them alive. Come on, pour it.
No one should get down.
No, please.
Hey,
no, please
pour
don't do
it,
this.
man. Come on, guys. Come on.
Please don't do this. Please, the house again. Please don't do this.
No, please.
Help us
Please.
out, please.
Don't be that
Don't do
wrong.
this. Help us, please. Oh my God.
Somebody We have captured the hell from the three worlds and waiting for the heaven also.
Master? Which means we are going to win this time. Am I right, Master?
Yes, give respect, take respect, so that no one will tell that devils are faithful. What's happening?
Don't become afraid, Master. Actually, one person from our group tried to test a granite. That's it.
Oh, why are you wasting it simply?
Oh, Master, we had brought it from our US President Bush. You know, he was dead against when he was trying to give that to us. Hence, we are very particular about the quality test now.
Ah, good, good. I appreciate you.
Master.
Yeah, tell me. He isn't here. Where is he? People used to say he's everywhere in the pillar, water, land, river. Where is
He
he?
should be hiding somewhere.
Oh, wherever he goes and hide, I will catch him up. Why this place is filled with darkness? If it was in the world, we could have said it was a power cut. Hey boy, check him everywhere. Huh? I am monitoring you. Oh my god, what a surprise. Welcome, welcome, a warm welcome to you.
Devil, hope you're doing good.
Don't pamper too much, huh? I didn't come here to listen your pampers and softening talk.
Yeah.
Then,
But to grab the power.
oh,
Without delaying, I want to crown the power in my head.
what?
Ha! Hell is in our hands, and in world also there are many devils like us, and only one place pending is your heaven, so that everywhere devils will be there, and all world is under my custody.
Devil, I think you've lost your mind. In the world and the humanity of the people, I still believe in all of them.
That was in later years.
If I prove the humanity of the people,
Me, the king of devils, will be the God's slave. But Mr. God, if you lose,
my future, you can decide.
oh, grabbing the empowerment is very
Yeah,
simple.
when I get a chance to rule the government, I will play accordingly.
Why to play lightly? You can play many games you want. By the way, oh my dear lord, do you know what are the things happening in the world?
How will he know? You have tied both his eyes. Am I right, Master? Eh?
Sorry, you were unable to see, right? Oh, now just see this. G boom ba. God doesn't know completely about our devils.
Mr. Devil,
In this old age, you need not shout and increase your BP, huh?
this is very cruel.
Oh, really? Have you noticed the last scene? That bus isn't a normal bus. It's a Kerala beautiful place, a small miniature clip.
What place is this?
This is heaven.
Oh my god, I don't believe this.
Why are you staring and standing here? Get inside.
You're blocking our way. We can't go in. Oh. Hey, Chakocho.
Huh?
Heaven and hell are real. I really didn't know that.
We are in heaven now. Don't try and make it a hell for God's sake.
Oh, what the hell is this?
I don't see the Lord.
Hey, wait.
Who's he?
The other guy didn't come aboard.
Who are you talking
The
about?
great Lord.
Huh?
Oh my god.
Hi.
Come on, pray him.
You are right, it's God.
All kindly be seated.
This isn't our God, right?
Sharangadara,
Tell me, Lord.
did you announce the final decision?
No, we were waiting for you.
That's what he's here now, right? Just announce.
This is the place to decide whether you go to heaven or to hell. All the decisions are made here.
Oh, this is the real checkpost, huh? There is no discount in beating though I'm in
Just
heaven.
keep your mouth shut. I want all of you all to pay attention. For the next 1 month, all of you will be spending time here. I hope I'm clear. Do you know why? You'll be under the observation of the devil and the Lord.
See,
That is the reason we brought all of you to this place here. Do you have any questions?
To play for your tunes, there are a lot of people here, right?
Times have changed. It's become very difficult to decide who should be sent to heaven or to hell.
Truth and humanity is still it's there in between Malayalis. And that is why we are testing you.
What do you want us to do?
In Vishwa Manava Charitra, this is the first time we are giving a chance for a human beings to live here. And you all are very much fortunate.
Each one of you will be instructed what to do time to time. Till then, you can enjoy here. You'll get everything you want, just like Earth.
Bro, but then what about
Oh,
the
will you shut up now? Please select a representative for your group now.
Oh, we should decide from ourselves. Police is okay, then I'm there.
I think that will be Kaushal, sir.
Okay. This is terrible. Though all are here, what about the God's daughter?
Dear, this is the new generation eye contact. Yeah.
Don't do. Don't try to play football here. There is one more person to introduce to you. Smart, handsome, intelligent, but also the multi-talented personality. The goosebumps of heaven's woman. My son Double Duppy.
And if you don't mind, can we see him, please?
When he will be coming? We are eagerly waiting to see
Me
him.
too.
He went to Kochi regarding some contract. The meeting is dispersed now. Why this much urgent, And above all, you're my future brother-in-law, right?
Who, God?
Yeah, your God's daughter Devika is my son's fiancée. Sit there. A youth named Trilog in this place is trying to flirt with Devika, and that too I saw with my eyes. That is the reason I have reminded everyone about my son.
How can you say something like that?
Stop this fight. We'll discuss it later. Kaushal,
Yes, God.
come with me.
Okay.
Finally, I am telling you one thing. If you wish to go to heaven, then you'll go to hell. If you wish to go to hell, then you go to heaven. Brum brum bravo. Stupidity. Nowadays you have started playing with my family. In that meeting, you ashamed my daughter. Simply some rumors. It's not a simple rumor. It's a very real fact.
I don't get it.
The naked truth.
Oh, the naked truth.
Yeah. Head, in what a proud manner you introduce your son to that people. Mr. God, remember one thing. All children are equal to gold to their parents.
Oh, Lord. We had a complete different picture about this place. I never expected it to be like this.
In this place like these creature, all these situations are common. I am a creature, and if my son come in front of you with a marriage proposal, I will definitely present him with a death. Whoa, too much. The things which and all you're telling now is really making me annoyed, and I will show this to you. Whatever you talk, there is no use of it. Oh my God, the word you have told before to Kandari, now you're telling to me, Come on, Kaushal. Kaushal. You perform your duties properly so that the final victory will be yours. Kaushal! This is my own palace. Mr. Kaushal, welcome to the palace of the devils. After divorcing my very first wife, I have got all these beautiful ladies. This is Anjita, this is Ranjita, this is Manjima, Punjiri, and this is Manjita. As I am having 5 wives, you can call me Panjalan also.
Wow, they all look so beautiful. I really envy you.
Servant.
Good morning, master.
Good morning. Stanu, he is our guest today. So kindly arrange for the different varieties of special food.
As you say.
Hey.
We have received a mail that someone is waiting to see you outside.
Stanu, you get out and make him get in.
As you say, master. Don't open that pot unnecessarily.
I must say, you have a heart of gold. I won't deny that.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Boss. Hello, Mr. Kalan. How are you? What's happening?
With your blessings, everything is going well.
Where is your PA, Chitragupta?
You have spelled it wrong. Actually, it's Chitraguptan.
Oh, yeah, I meant that only.
That he has went to wash my vehicle.
Vehicle?
Yeah, Buffalo is his vehicle, right? So to make him clean and all those stuffs, he went there.
I have a present for you, which I have brought from Kerala.
Hand over it.
I present this to you on behalf of Excise Minister from Kerala.
Mr. Kalan, for all these love that you're showing to me, what can I
Oh
give
my
you in
boss,
return?
I want only your love.
Yuck! What is this?
Liquor. It's a pure liquor.
You mean more than original?
Yes, boss. It is very much pure. You can't get it everywhere.
Oh, wow. I can't believe this. Alcohol?
My dear servant, kindly bring 2 glasses. Cheers!
Cheers? Oh, he's trying to make a fool out of you.
Don't mistake me, boss. Before coming here, I have completed my 2 rounds of
Hey,
pep.
Mr. Kalan, this is made by a Malayali, right? So that my stomach will not get upset, right?
No, never, boss. I have tested with few peoples also. Trust me, boss.
Mr. Kalan, you have taken everyone's life those were in the bus.
Oh, my
I'm
boss.
really happy. As soon as I heard that news, no, I was at cloud 9. Oh, you can't understand the proverbs, right? I mean, I was really very happy. And
Oh.
above all, for your overtime duty, I'm giving you a double salary with good incentive.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you, boss.
And for Chitraguptan also, I'll give him 2 increments.
I don't know, but I've seen him somewhere before.
Yeah, you would have seen him. What was your role in the world when you're firing this bus?
Tottikuri Kuttappai.
Totti Kuli Kuttappa.
Good, very good. For identifying the best people, there is a competition between the devils and God, and you are the judge for that. Who is smart? Who is best? God or the devil? The representative of the both teams are gonna compete with each other now. Whoever wins, they are the best. And now it's time for the very hot competition. So let's have a huge round of applause.
Oh my god, he is moving or his muscle is moving. Let the competition begin.
Yo, come on, dude. Yeah, you can
Smash him.
Yeah.
Give him
nicely. Come on, yeah. Don't leave him. Just tackle him. Just kill him. Oh my God. Yeah, come on. Yeah, dance is great, man. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Monkey said it. Yeah, that's the spirit, man. Just come on, dude. You can win. Yeah. Yeah, you're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Just beat it. Come on, dude. Yeah. You're almost there. You're the winner, boy. Yo, come on. Give it nicely. Come on, yeah. Don't leave him. Great. Just kill him. Wow. Yeah. Come on. That's wow. Yeah. Come on. Hey, come on, dude. You can get up. Wow. You still have time. Just get up. Come on, dude. You can. 3. You can do that.
And we have a winner.
We got 1 point. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the very second round of our competition, representing the Devils team, we have Godandam. And representing the Gods team, we have a person from Kerala who is one among the husbands of Miss Malavika, Mr. Gaurav Kumar.
begins the competition.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get from me also.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you leave.
Sorry.
Very good.
Come on.
Whichever criminals he get, he will just smash into pieces and just crush him with like elephant. At the last stage of defeating the devil's team, Mr. Gaurav sir is leading ahead. Here comes the hero of Kerala, Mr. Gaurav Kumar. Yay! With a fire spark performance, he is gonna defeat Mr. Devil's team. And here we have almost at the end of the game. And wow, that was a fantastic shot, Mr. Gaurav sir. Wow. And he's continuously getting a lead point over here. Here comes Gaurav sir. Come on.
Yeah.
So you belong to the monsters group. Can I see your chief? Huh?
And now adds a 1 point to the Gods team, and now it's a tie. Shame. I think today it's not a Friday. Let's call my son, the great warrior, Mr. Drushta. And for the final round, representing the Devils team, we have Mr. Drushta. And from the Gods team is Mustafa Rautar.
Oh my god, what I will do? God, please save him, please.
Router is very innocent. Please don't send him. You can send him instead. He's very strong.
Me? No, it's not possible. At this age, I'm very weak in my body.
Sharangadhara, tell them to not to spoil our name.
The Lord's decision is final. You have to fight him.
The person who smashes ton kilos of steels and irons into pieces and just sells for the waste market. Now we have Mr. the Great, the person who has a power of 10 elephant, Mr. Waste Mustafa. You better do one thing. You just find a good insurance company and get insured a very good amount on me. If I die also, you can live happily with the children's right.
What I will do for the sign?
What sign after the death? Let them go to hell. Hello,
Oh my
check.
God, take him carefully,
Here comes
please,
our Mustafa
please,
like a very
God,
big
please
Spider-Man
save him,
with the entire power of 10
Be
elephants
careful,
in the
be
ring.
careful, you can
Come
do it.
on. The most goosebumps and mesmerizing events. And it's happening now. The very big fight between the God and devils. We don't know what will happen. And we have a very big Mustafa. Oh my God, Mustafa is flying in the air. Full confidence. Our Mustafa didn't fell down. It was one of his style. If you lose this game, I will give you 20 crore rupees. If you lose it confidently, I'll give you a flat and a 20 crore rupees at Kerala. Full free.
Keep murmuring.
No doubts. If you win 10 crores and if you lose 20 crores, what are you saying?
In that case, hit me.
The lucky charm and the strong pillar of Kerala, Mr. Rautar Mustafa. Hey! the great Mustafa added one more point to the great Gods team, and now the leading is the Gods team, and the Devil team lags by 1 point. Hey, and the victory goes to brother Mustafa. Hey, brum brum bravo. Impossible. How did this happen? Making the Gods team proud. Let's listen what Roth and Mustafa have to say. If you could speak few words, please.
If devils play with us, this will happen
I should have won the competition. Oh, I've lost my 10 crores.
Shit, totally ashamed. What happened to our powerful fighters? They fought today only to ashame me. No one should stay in front of me now here onwards.
Please forgive, Master. Every demon will make a mistake at least once in his life.
We commit mistake.
Ah.
Not only that, if we get 50 rupees above the match point, we will just lose for ourselves.
He promised to give him 20 crores in cash and a big flat. Who wouldn't lose a fight? I don't need to tell you, you know about it.
I think the only eligible person to become the Prime Minister of our Devils world, it's you.
It's my pleasure.
Mr. Devil sir, you didn't like me or what?
You call me sir?
When did I teach you? During my secondary school time, 6th standard, my maths teacher, you only know sir. Which sir? When did I teach you? Same voice, same face cut. Hey, no. Sir, simply don't say no, sir. Just think and see. When all the students go out for the interval, behind the backboard, you used to give unlimited kisses to the Leela teacher, right? Don't you remember? I know everything, sir. Oh, your blooding memory power. Don't kindly reveal this to all. This is a trade secret, right? Hey, come on, catch me. Hey, come on. Can find me, Hey.
Catch.
Yeah, come on.
Hey.
I'm here.
Catch.
Right. No. Let's.
Oh, my hand.
Master.
Everything is getting into losses and totally damaging, and you're enjoying here by playing hide and seek.
I'm not able to understand, Master.
Go on, switch on the system, you bloody fool. My dear son Deppy, where are you?
Hey, Dad. I am creating a small heaven in the world, Dad.
Huh? Heaven? The useless heaven? You have to come here immediately, else our every wealth will be into losses.
Dad, what madness are you telling?
Hey, my little idiot. Instead of the lion, cats are becoming king nowadays. Small boy from Kerala will take your Devika and go off. Then you have to feel for that. So you come fast.
What nonsense are you talking, Daddy? How it is possible?
I'm least bothered about anything. You're supposed to come here fast.
Okay, Dad. Okay. Kindly send my 2 drivers over here.
Sure.
What?
Sure.
Oh, my dad.
Hey, my son.
Master son.
Oh, my son Deppy. What is this? Are you okay?
Okay.
Why did you come in this vehicle?
To come as early as possible. This was the only source.
Oh, good.
By the by, when I was not here, many things happened. You told me now. Let me meet all them and come back. Well, who are you?
I'm Kaushik Kumar, IAS.
I am so glad I'm not IAS.
Our son has grown up too much.
My son.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, come.
Oh.
Bro, what kind of creature is this?
He's a gorilla.
Achirabira vachirukunda.
Jai.
The reason I called you here, do anyone know that?
Kindly tell us, boss.
Our honorable master has given lot of instructions to us.
Tell us. We are ready for everything.
We should clearly note the movement of Malayalakara residency people.
That Kaushal is very smart and intelligent too. That Trilog used to hide and go. That too, our princess bedroom.
For what, man?
That super is really a playboy. And our boss girlfriend is also in very deep love.
Love?
Yeah, love. It's true love. Yo, my
we
God.
should cut his both hands and legs, you know.
Everywhere we have an eye.
No use of having eyes. You have to see with that. Our spy team should work with a little more concentration.
As your wish, master.
No use of just replying alone. If some work should happen, I should go there.
Oh, it's really tickling, you know. Oh my god. Change of dress is a real tradition. What a custom. Oh my god. Oh, hey, hi, Dad. What kind of outfit is this? My son. After seeing the Malayalis outfits, no, I also like to wear like that. Oh, my dear, just give me a clear suggestion. Oh, Dad, to be frank, the complete vague look has gone now. From today onward, this will be my casual dress for at least a ventilation purpose, na? Ah, Dad, you're right. But Dad, cats are always cats, though they have strikes like a tigers, huh? Did you get my point? Ah, hey. Kaushal sir, do you know why I called you here?
Oh no, please don't call me sir.
Why shouldn't I? You are the secretary of the world and heaven. So at least that respect I have to give you, right?
No, I'm your student. Why did you call me here?
Well, there is a guy in your gang, right? That Trilok. I am totally annoyed by him. What happened? Nowadays he started playing all his mischievous in my life also. If it happens again, I will screw him like anything. The change of shape is confirmed. See, your assistant has got it, but you didn't get. That is what an IAS is, huh? And to be frank, the god's daughter Devika is my fiance. If he tries to pass a line on her, I will cut his line forever. You get it? If he stays away from her, it's better. Bro, I like the way you talked. As I'm concerned about you, will tell you one thing. That Trilok, no, he's a dangerous guy. So be careful. He has many tactics to kill and defeat people. If he uses all the tactics towards, that's all. You're done. Well, oh my god, I think he's gonna be a very big obstacle for my life. Commandos, follow me. Oh, shit. Kaushal bro, why haven't you told anything?
Don't forget, I'm an IAS. Silence speaks volumes. Only when they experience it will they understand.
How is that, bro?
Like this.
Darling, where is my Devika?
What do you want?
Well, I heard that Trilok is torturing you a lot. Shall I screw him up?
There is no need for that.
You are the person whom I'm gonna marry, Devika.
I'm not interested in that.
Hey, don't say that. It's okay if you're not interested now. I will slowly create interest on you after marrying you.
What are you doing over here? You better get going.
Oh, then what I heard was right actually. You are in love with him, right? I will kill him forever.
Then you go kill him and come. Trying to kill a person who is already dead.
Yeah, actually it's right. See what a fool I am. Oh my god.
Just get out of here.
My dear commandos, even she started forming an obstacle for me.
We have arranged this meeting to tell you about something important.
With greediness, disrespect and cruelty, never go and fall into a trouble. This is just a warning. The more and more you work hard, the more and more success you gain. The more respect you give, the more respect you gain. Well, why are you working so slowly? Don't be afraid. It's Apli. Hey buddy, how are you? Hey my dear uncle.
What uncle? Don't forget you're speaking to the Lord.
Well, he is uncle for you.
The Lord.
I mean Lord. But for me, he is my uncle. Dippy bro, have you started a business of fruits or what? Hey, nobody actually. Nowadays fruits is very costly. I sent my slaves to Tamil Nadu and just got these fruits. Whatever maybe. It is my present for my dear uncle. For what, Duppy? Oh, come on, uncle. I just came with a marriage proposal for a girl.
Girl? Which girl?
No necessity to tell you. Uncle, kindly get these fruits and just keep it inside. Well, my aunties are holding this for a long time and fix a date for our marriage as soon as possible. I'm very much eager to marry her. So you have finalized everything? Yeah. Uncle, it's better if you don't delay this marriage. Few scoundrels from Kerala has been arrived here. So Devika will feel very much insecure. It will be like a lazy boy won a lottery ticket with a very big jackpot. Exactly, dude. He has a very good brain. So fix a date as soon as possible. You want it immediately? Time once lost never comes, no, uncle. That's a proverb. Sharangadara. Okay, take the apple. Oh my god, Mama. Thank you, thank you. Well, you have slapped me, right? You know who is my father? Oh, pathetic. Only with one beating you have forgot your own dad or what? Our devil king is Mr. Deppy's own father. Just understand. You all keep in your mind. I will show you. Oh my god, my teeth.
Why he is doing like this? I
Poor
don't
guy,
understand.
Boss, you're going there alone.
Hey, what foolishness are you saying? For this kind of things, I have to go all alone only. Then what's the use of us, huh? There is no rule that for everything I need to bring a bodyguards, right? Today, it's a golden day for me. The full moon day. In this night itself, I should make it happen. If I should be little Rudolph, no problem in that. I want to win.
You mean to say that we should see your bravery act?
You both can go and have some refreshments. Well, before you both complete your fourth peg, you can hear my sound. Okay?
Okay, anything
then
for you,
everything is
boss.
up to you.
Please help me, boss. Please
It's me, Deppy, a small boy.
Was it you, little master? Where are you going this midnight?
Oh, well, simply to get refreshed by having fun with some chicks, so that I'll be happy.
Which means you're going to enjoy today midnight, right?
Oh, that's so brilliant you are. Oh my god, yeah.
You're just like your father. Okay, whom have you selected today?
God's palace. And Devika is my target.
You're definitely our hero, my dear son.
Tonight, I will destroy history.
History?
Yeah, her complete virginity.
Oh,
A girl's most important thing is her virginity.
is it?
If we destroy it, then she will be my slave.
Okay, my dear little master, please go and come. Since our master is not there, I'm going to bless you now. Brum, 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 brum.
Thank you. Well, where is my dad actually?
When you're going to enjoy with a princess, your father should enjoy at least with a pauper. He's gone in search of that.
Oh, everything is okay, but my dear buddy, keep one thing in mind.
What is it?
Well, make sure his story will not be a flopped one.
Eh?
Everything is in his own hands, so it's better he be careful.
Brum, brum, bravo.
Thank you.
Father was satisfied with 5, but son may require at least 10.
What happened at this time?
I wanted to see you once.
I wish the same, but
I wanted to come earlier. But by the time I reached here, it got really late.
if anybody sees,
Nobody will come here. I just wanted to talk to you once. I really miss the fact that I'm not able to even get to talk to you.
Trilok, where is our love going to lead us to? I'm really afraid.
Let's not think about anything about the future.
Trilok.
Oh God. Who is it?
Come here. No, there. Come.
It's my 3rd peg today.
Yeah. During our 4th peg, we can listen to the sound of a boss. When I came with the marriage proposal, your father gave me a nice towel actually. And today I'm going to destroy your virginity. Don't make noise and don't shout at all.
Why do you want to do all that?
Rape, that too all alone. But when I start, oh, leave me, please. Like that you're not supposed to say. Okay, did you get my point?
Anyways, I'm always yours, no? Then why do you want to rape me? For the time being, please can you go out? I'll change my clothes and come.
Well, okay, my darling. Oh, but still, I'll stand here only. You should have told me this before. I just had a misunderstanding. If you're like this, I have no problem at all. Okay, Devika, you can start changing your clothes.
Then you should close your eyes for some time.
Well, for what?
Won't you listen when I tell you something?
Yeah, why not? I will listen to whatever you say, huh? Even if you say I'll just close my eyes for a day itself, huh?
Without me telling you, don't open your eyes, okay?
Sure, never. I don't do that. Oh, I know it's tickling me. Oh, ow! Oh my God!
Thief! Fool! Why?
I'm a boss. He's my boss.
It's you! Sorry, boss!
Oh, my dad. Here also beating. There also beating.
What happened?
What happened? What happened, my dear?
Because of me, that poor Trilok.
Because of your diversion of your mind. That is why all this happened.
That scoundrel was waiting for a chance.
It's a very big shame for the God's world.
Please don't forget you're a goddess, and Trilog is just a human being. You shouldn't go together. That would be really wrong.
For every process and custom in this world, there is a rule for everything. And to break that rules, I will not allow anyone.
Father, Trilok, he's not just a normal man. He has vast knowledge. That is the reason why I fell in love with Trilok.
Love is not a crime. But this love here, it is a very big mistake.
Father,
And from now onwards, you should never try to see or talk
No.
with Trilok.
I won't meet him again. But because of me, nothing should happen to Trilok.
Shameful, awkward, pathetic, shameful. What are you saying? Are you learning the words of the English? After telling about your own daughter and a real character, you're still sitting and laughing like this, huh? I will show you. I will show you really badly. 1 minute, Mr. Devil. My daughter, I have bought her up. And you don't have to bother about that. Did you get it? Huh. Now you can go. Huh.
Please tell us, oh
Oh
Lord,
my God.
what happened to our Trilog?
Will tell you, not only about Trilok. I have few things to tell about everyone. Even I have many things to say. What did you think of ourselves, huh? That me and God are fools or what, huh? We want our Trilok right now.
Maintain silence, stay calm.
In between the fight of God and devil, why are you disturbing us, huh?
Please tell us, oh Lord, we are really worried. What did he do with our Trilog?
All are bad, either in one sense or in other sense. Love, truth, humanity, respect and affection and many more emotions that have been gifted to humans have been lost nowadays. How nowadays the humans in the world have become so cruel. Who is responsible for all this negativity? I am responsible. Huh? Mr. God, the time for your valuable thoughts and speech has been passed away. Nowadays bad people can only survive.
What mistake did Trilog make? Tell us!
Well, cool down, my boys, cool down. You should understand one thing, Mr. Kaushal. This is a world of cheaters and loopers. And being the boss of them, I feel really proud. Brum brum bravo. My dear slave, the worldwide criminal Kaushal. Oh, sorry.
Me?
Trilok, kindly bring him here.
What mistake did he make?
His mistake is very shameful. He made Devika to fall in.
Fallen?
Love with him.
Oh, Trilog has committed a very big mistake.
Stop it.
Lord.
Why are you not speaking up?
God, please forgive me.
So, you have realized your mistake.
God is love. And only if you love everybody, you will be able to reach close to God, is what my parents taught me when I was young.
So, this was your routine in the world, what you did, huh?
Beloved God, excuse me if I'm misbehaving.
Bro, speak clearly.
I'm sorry if I committed any mistake. Our Trilog is very talented. He's an excellent, versatile singer, you know. I don't think him falling in love with that girl was below his prestige.
What prestige? Oh, that is why you show this much attitude, huh? So we should definitely know about his prestige.
No, I have never said like that.
Charangadara.
Whatever it is. Kindly test him. Sharangadara.
Lord.
Let the test begin.
As you wish, my lord. What are the Trikarmas?
Praying, reciting hymns, and praying God.
Triganangal?
Dharma, Artha, and Kama.
Tridarshanmar?
12 Adityas, 11 Rudras, 8 Vasu, and 2 Ashwinis. And so 33 goddesses.
Tristali?
Gaya, Kashi, and Prayaga.
Trilog?
Earth, heaven, and hell.
Ooh. What makes these three worlds to withstand?
Love.
I am very much impressed by your knowledge. So we left him simply, huh? Yes, For this time, he's getting a chance. And for your soul, you have only few more days to live here. Meeting is dispersed.
Let him sing a song.
That he can sing in a reality show. At least he'll get a flat. Here, nothing you will get.
You can sing later.
Brum brum brow.
How is your boss feeling now?
Not the master, sir, little master.
Oh, whether it's the master or the little master. How is he now? Just tell
He's
me.
fine now.
So, what will you do to the business?
That is a very difficult
Oh.
task. Entire quotation team of Kerala needs to be, sir.
We are fed up of attending the phone calls, you know.
You can avoid the phone
How
calls.
can we avoid the calls? The entire quotation group always try to call a little master, you know. Just 1 hour is enough for them.
You have to just go and stand there.
For what?
For the confirmation of the business.
Oh, ho, ho.
What to do? It happens in Kali Yuga. What else to say?
This is better any day. Bad time for Satan also.
My hand. You sat on my hand.
Sorry.
According to me, clearing the group at the earliest is definitely required now.
At this point, even I too agree with you.
Can we believe you?
According to this, you can believe me.
Okay. Whatever it is, we have to finish everything as soon as possible. That is my policy.
Our master has informed to kidnap Devaki at the earliest. Even if we have to show our strength, the moment we do our job, we have won the case. Then God will be our slave.
In such type of peculiar situation, we may have to show our strength and do the needful.
Ooh, what an idea. No wonder he became a politician.
This is not because of all these ideas. When his calculations failed, he became a politician.
Whatever it is, we won, you know.
Okay, wait. Don't laugh like a Satan and frighten me, okay?
I will make you afraid. Everyone will fear when they see me. You people not have seen my power, you know. At present, now I am your master.
Why is he talking all this crap? Shouldn't he be behaving as per his size?
That devil made us ashamed in front of all the residence people.
Why are you so lenient to him, my lord?
To conquer the power, I have given him so much of time. Let's see till where he can reach. There is no necessity to test Malayalis.
But lord, we have to check that.
Yes, to face the problems, to overcome the consequences, let us see they are how much capable for doing that. It's Kalikalam, right? Among these human beings. Let's see how many people have good thoughts in their mind. Especially I need to know that.
You're right, my lord.
I am going for a travel.
As you wish, my lord.
Justice, injustice, truth and untruth filled place. I mean here. Sharangadaran, you should be prepared by making everything ready.
Okay, my lord.
Devika's thought. You know about it, right?
With your blessings, everything is possible, my lord.
Hi, hello, a very warm welcome. The famous coward Kerala politicians. I welcome you all to this my beautiful palace.
Thank you,
So
sir.
kindly prepare varieties of food for the guests. And no one should come inside the palace. Did you get? I just made you to come here through Stanu. It's just to discuss a few important matters to you.
When we got the call from Nanu, we did not believe it, sir.
Oh no, he's not Nanu. He's Stanu.
Don't worry about that. Whatever he says is all stupidity.
So what is the reason you want to meet us? You're the people who fight among yourself in front of the public. And when it comes to personal profit, you all three will join together.
That's the tricks of politics, master.
Now God is not here. So making use of this opportunity, we should grab the empowerment.
Oh my god, what are you saying?
Pluck the government.
You can do whatever you want. But we should get a profit.
All this is really frightening me.
You tried to avoid the son and father, right? You have to show only 50% of braveness in this, you know.
And not only that, if we get the powers, no, I will send all of you to back to your residence and to your hometown as a normal human being.
Can we trust you?
Of course you can believe. Though I am devil, I am not like you people. I always keep up the promise.
Okay.
Brum brum bravo. We need to get our share in the term of money and other terms. By corruption and cheating, you have earned lots of crores, right? So when you were coming here, you had anything of what?
Yeah.
Still the same greediness. Oh my god. Actually, I meant, I understood. You want drinks, you want girls, you want party, everything I'll arrange.
Now itself, we don't have any peaceful life.
That is for all your citizens,
Not
right?
that case.
Ah.
If somebody comes to know,
No one should know this, especially Kaushal. So, when are we planning the operation? We'll let you know. And you both people, at least till you leave from here, kindly give peace to that person.
Anyways, I don't create any problem. And then sometimes I have some small requests.
enough.
That also I'll stop.
We
I'll
agree
stop.
all conditions. So, hope you're all happy, right?
Okay.
Now, let's go and have something special.
Thank you very much.
Kaushal, the decision what you have taken now is dangerous.
What problem?
The new friendship what you have got now, avoid it completely.
That's not possible. I won't accept that.
You don't have anything to say, dear?
What I have to say, with whomever he goes, I don't mind at all. I before itself expected this.
Did you hear that? Now don't ask me any questions. I want to go and enjoy everything. Oh, la, 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 la.
Let him go.
Darling, what happened to you, dear?
You're not having mind at all. How you will be having? You're the police, no? Whenever it is needed, you won't do anything.
Today your statement is slightly on the higher side.
Accounts are clear. Your way is not my way.
Just like a fool standing on the desert. I could not understand anything,
That's
you know.
all. Come, I'll make you to understand. Come.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hi, Hema.
Hi, madam.
We came to look Hema now.
Why did you come here for what?
We are not at all the disturbance for your relationship
Yeah.
at all. You can be with him happily, okay?
I don't believe my ears, Malvika.
You have to believe. I was never a good wife for you. I even not a good wife as you expected. me.
Sure.
Still, I'm not able to understand anything.
I can understand you.
A woman can love a person only once.
Who said that?
Sorry, my dear. Not even a single enjoyment, happiness, satisfaction. You didn't get anything from me.
Yes, you're right.
Sure.
I hope Hema will never disappoint you in any matters.
Yes, you're right, dear.
Malu?
I didn't expect this. I'm one hell of a lucky guy.
What, man? What? You're just standing and looking. Your brother's marriage is going on. Come on, clap your hands and encourage him. Ah.
Yeah. You are the true wife to me, dear.
Thank you.
Hey, Buffoonhead.
Master?
For inspecting the Kaushals and their team's action, did you arrange any people from our side?
Of course I've arranged, Master. He is really a cunning fellow, you know. If we are not careful with him, he may remove from this place because he's such type of cunning person.
Oh,
Ah.
so funny to hear.
Make it soon, Master.
What is his weakness actually?
That is...
Then it's simple. The master idea of our plan. Here comes. See our today's property.
Can I call her?
Excuse me. Oh my God.
1 minute. Stay there, please.
No, never. I'll stand.
Oh, no, please.
Don't come.
No. I'll not do anything,
Where I
please.
have to go now? Oh God. Oh,
Please
you came
stay
here
there for
also.
a while.
Please wait for 1 minute. Master has to tell you
What do you
something,
people
madam.
want from me now?
No. I'll not do you anything.
Then why you are just following me now?
When did I chase you? You just ran off.
Is it so?
I want to tell you one thing. Malavika, you have an enemy, right?
If one means okay, but everyone are enemies only.
To screw all your enemies, I will help you.
How is that?
This is the most poisonous one. Gul Tittakam. As soon as he eats, no sudden death. His body will turn into soul. Get it?
Please buy it. Please
Kindly
buy
take
it.
it. Tomorrow night during dinner, mix it with your enemy's food.
Will it happen any danger?
Yeah. If you eat instead of your enemy,
No.
don't worry. I will be always with you. Go and come with success. Best wishes.
Okay,
Brum,
Your
brum,
Honor.
bravo.
I'll
Bravo.
go. Now I'm going.
Many say that marriages are fixed in the heaven. Now we have lively experienced that.
Oh, I'm happy to experience it.
Where is Chinchu?
There he is playing with the small kids.
I've never seen Kaushal so happy in his life at all.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Look, Malavika, I deeply appreciate you very much.
What's the reason?
Nowadays in this world, who will be like this kind-hearted, huh? No one. Giving up his own husband for another girl. Usually Malayali people don't do this.
Yeah. If he is my husband, it's enough, I thought.
A married life is like a strong decantation tea. What will we do if devotees come? We have to remove the sugar from the tea, right?
Great words.
Hey, don't try to act smart, okay?
If you didn't like what I've said, you can slap me here.
It's an auspicious time, so I'm not hitting you.
Okay, let me ask you one more thing. this sister waited this much long to marry our Kushal bro, huh? Stop! You're not supposed to laugh here. And only I can laugh here.
If you have completed your dinner, then you can go with your wife to your room.
Oh no, they went.
They are young couples. Let us give them some privacy to enjoy themselves.
Gulgulu tittaga?
It is with me only.
Huh? You didn't give to her what?
Gulgul Pichagam? What's that?
This is one sort of medicine. We have to give this medicine to the person who has given as a gift for us, no?
Then why you didn't give to her?
How it is possible?
To whom are you giving this, dear?
To whom else I will give? For this evil brother only.
No, I don't want. I don't want.
please.
No,
Master, don't tell you don't want it.
Yeah.
Please have it. My darling is
I
a
don't
lot
want.
of love and
Please, I
affection.
don't want.
Yeah, you are. Please say.
If Devil King don't want, no, he please give it to me. No,
oh
I'll
my
drink.
God, what a person
Give it
he
to
is.
him.
Fool, just sit
Give
down.
it.
No, I will be giving only for the smart person.
Yeah,
No,
she's
no,
right.
I don't want. I don't want.
Just
Please,
wait,
no,
wait,
help
I'm
me.
coming.
No,
wait.
no, I don't want.
Please
I'll not
have
drink
it.
that.
No,
No.
hey, have it.
The devil and his men have kidnapped Devika. What? I can't believe this. Me too.
How can the evil stand against the power of God and win God?
Everything is going wrong.
But how it is possible?
I don't know. The unexpected has happened.
I am
Shit.
going to.
Trilok, don't behave hastily.
Relax yourself, buddy. We'll find some way soon.
I want to save Devika.
This is not your problem alone. We'll all join our hands together and overcome this problem together.
Do you know where has he taken her?
On the way from heaven to hell, he has many hideouts. He's hiding somewhere there. Do you know the place is guarded by man-eaters?
Man-eaters.
Yes. If the devil orders them, they'll make sure they won't leave a single person alive.
If you know the place, we can go and search.
I'll also come with you.
Then come, let's go.
No, don't be so fast, dear.
You gotta be very careful. Don't get yourself into trouble. We have to experience everything again.
Okay, where is Shakoch and Kochukur from our group?
Yeah, where have they gone?
I've sent them for an important job. Tell me, what happened over there?
Actually, buddy, according to my observation,
When has it been right?
hold on for a minute. That bloody demon has kidnapped our Almighty's daughter.
You're wrong, mister. He's already kidnapped her.
Oh.
Don't tell me you didn't know about it.
Oh my God, he looks like he's faster than me. So it means that everything here is happening very fast and very swift.
Then we have only one thing to do.
What thing?
During the election time, the method we do to catch our seats, na, that only.
Kidnapping.
Hey, don't worry about anything. Trilok and my brother will go and find their hideout. I want to say something, but
Even if it is wrong, it's okay. You keep saying.
I'm sure that Devika's with Bhutraya. Are you sure? Yes, I'm quite sure. Come, I'll show you his place.
Yeah, come, let's go. Hey, come inside. Hey, what is this?
Welcome to the palace of Budharaya.
Oh, well, all the grazing goats came here, huh? What did you think of me? As I'm showing this funny face, do you think I was a joker? And I was a coward, right?
Master is not a soft person. He is a very cruel soft
yeah,
person.
exactly. The moment I saw you, I was planning to give you a nice slap on your face.
Yeah, give Master.
Hey, I can fight with your dad also, man. You. Hey.
Come on, go and help them.
Yeah.
Go! Go! Is he Bhutraya? Yes, that's right.
And finish off everyone. No, don't hit me. Don't. Come on, save me. Come on. Hey.
I've held him tight.
Hey,
Hit him
save
nicely.
me, man.
Very good. I am just waiting for this. I wanted to see him get hit twice at least. Enough. Good. Thanks.
You have done a great job. If you get one more chance, kindly do that.
Are you hot?
Yeah, he gave me a knee slap. Hit him, hit him. He should never raise his voice again.
Hey, what are you doing? Go and hit him.
We politicians never hit anybody. We just make people
Shameless
hit.
politician. Why isn't he
Hit him,
going?
Hit him.
They're
I
all
won't
the
let you be
same.
happy.
Hey.
I'm going to kill you with this one.
Hit him. What is this? Our traditional fight. What's it called? It's an ancient martial art called Kalaripaitu. Kalaripaitu? Yeah, it's very powerful.
Don't try to fight against each other, please. Let us all have a peaceful life. Oh, no, don't hit me. Okay, hit me here too. I was just kidding with you. Why did you hit me like this?
Oh my God! Please save me.
Say now what happened?
Oh my God.
All this was very fast and very swift.
So God,
Yeah, I got it nicely. If it had been better, no.
if my observation is correct, if we stand apart like this, we will be killed by getting beaten.
This is what even I'm trying to say. We'll all stand
Yeah,
together
come,
now.
let's get united and we'll fight against
come on.
them.
From now on,
Come with us.
no
Hey,
evil
throw him
can
here.
kill us.
Get away from here.
Super.
Okay.
Hey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Why do you take care of him?
Oh my God.
Hey, Kaushal, how's my fight?
Who's he? He's my big brother. He's a very good fighter. Just wait and watch. What's this? This is the monkey style.
Good person. A great warrior I have seen. I am impressed by you. Ask me whatever you want.
Please let Devika go.
That alone is not possible.
Please let Devika go. Instead of that, you can take anything from me.
Is there anyone in this human being who sacrificed like this?
I am even ready to give my life for my love.
In front of you, we are all braveless, Master. Please save us.
You and your gangmates kindly leave from here now. That is a gift as I was impressed by you. So you can leave.
No. I will not go without Devika.
Yes, we will not go.
Really? Master has sent a message that he's lost in this battle. You can release them.
I respect the decision from Mr. Devil.
Thank you.
You can take the princess.
Devika, please come.
Boss, it's no use of we standing here. Everything is gone from us.
Oh my god. Kindly forgive me for all my mistakes. Well, even to me also. Hey, Mr. Devil. What did you people think of me? To protect the nature and the world's peace only, I have created the human beings. And Mr. Devil, even your creation was done by me. You know for what I have done? When the people in the world forget the humanity, I will send you to them in different ways. Murder, death, gangism, earthquake, tsunami, and many other factors like that. I have sent you in various ways and various methods. What is the reason for all these disasters? If there is no bad, there will be no value for good things. A bad thing is always necessary to understand a good thing. There will be no value for humanity if there is no cruelty. The truth's value and deed is always hidden in the untruth world. If there is no devil, there will be no value for God. I'm really sorry. Kindly forgive me for all my mistakes I have done.
Oh Lord, please tell us what punishment are you going to give all of us? We're eager to know.
I have closely watched everyone's activities and I have completely monitored by looking into Yemen's Panchabuddha book. I am giving you a very bad punishment. Oh God, is it we have to go to the hell or what? You are going back to Kerala. Just remember one thing. Living in hell and heaven is very easy than living in the earth. Kishal?
Kaushal?
Oh, Kaushal. Be careful. Tomorrow there is a strike in Kerala. That usually happens in Kerala.
Yes. Oh Lord, I don't understand anything.
This is the only area where I have been defeated for many times. And I don't have an answer for it.
The Lord doesn't have an answer.
Even he got confused like us, huh? Oh my god, we have to go back about. What the hell are you doing? Just take your vehicle out. How can I leave you like that, huh? That too very easily? What do you want actually, huh?
These people are unbelievable. They never improve. They're good for nothing.
Wherever you go, you'll show your real attitude, huh? Father and uncle felt pity on you and sent back to earth, but you have shown your attitude again by doing a very big mistake again.
I'm sorry, but I don't understand a single word.
We know that you're all very good actors.
Thank you.
But if you all try to act smart with our master, the hell.
What did we do? You tell us, please.
Don't act as if don't know anything, okay? The most valuable thing in the heaven is missing. And while checking for that, I came to know that someone among you have stolen it.
Maybe that devil would have stolen it.
Hey, no, I didn't do that. Hey, I will tell you one thing. Don't make me angry, huh? It was stolen by one person among you.
Hey,
Oh my God.
did you take anything?
Did you do that?
Huh?
Me? You all didn't. He's the guy. He only stole that. He stole my daughter's heart and came here.
Oh Lord. Her soul is in heaven and her heart is over here on earth. She's not happy at all.
The people who love each other should always be together. That is what our rule is. Devika? Hereafter, Devika will play a role of a human being. Live long happily. Live let long.